So guys, in today's video we are going to learn about how to make a slip knot. What is a slip knot? The first knot that you start while crocheting almost everything. And this is how to do it. It's just simple, just the way you tie a knot, just how you tie your shoe laces, anything. And voila, that's our slip knots. Then you put your crochet there, and then you can start doing your chain. That's all about it. We can repeat together. Tune in to learn more and more tutorials in this channel. To reach me, you can get me on all socials: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, X. I'm also on LinkedIn. Yes, and on YouTube, guys, Kiki, Queen of Crochet. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment.